don't give up in this circumstance. Don't give up in this season. Don't give up in that relationship. Don't give up in that moment where you just want to turn one more rep and you'll feel breakthrough in your muscle. See, why is God testing your faith? Because your faith is not just about you. It's about New York City. It's for the people. Your faith is for you, but then it's for the people.
Isn't it amazing that for everything the enemy has tried to throw at your life, it has not taken you out yet? Because if you have a divine appointment with Jesus Christ, there is nothing the enemy can do for you or with you that Christ's power cannot prevail against.